There's something quietly magnetic about a certain kind of man, the kind who lingers in a woman's mind without saying much at all. He doesn't boast. He doesn't chase attention. He simply is. His calm draws the room toward him like gravity. When he enters, people notice not because he announces himself, but because his presence asks to be felt. It's not noise that gives him power. It's stillness. The Stoics understood this. Noise demands attention, but silence commands it. Women aren't drawn to the loud man who needs to be seen. They're drawn to the quiet one who doesn't. He carries his world inside him. He doesn't seek validation, and somehow that makes others crave his approval even more. Chapter 1. The silent pull you've seen it happen. A woman indifferent to everyone else suddenly becomes curious about the man who barely speaks. She starts wondering what lives behind that silence. Every glance, every pause, every word he doesn't say becomes a puzzle she wants to solve. Her curiosity becomes desire because his quiet leaves space for her imagination to fill. That's where the pull begins, in restraint. When a man doesn't overshare, he makes her wonder. When he leaves silence, she fills it with stories, with fantasies, with questions. The less he gives, the more she imagines. That's not manipulation. That's human psychology. Chapter 2. The power of self-possession. Then comes self-possession. A Stoic man knows his power doesn't come from controlling others, but from mastering himself, his thoughts, his emotions, his responses.